So yeah, we're just looking at the snake, and we don't know if it's a rattlesnake or not. So yeah.
Interesting.
Is it a rattlesnake?
You got a better view of them now. Look right through here.
Okay.
Right through there, you can see them down there. You're not looking right.
No.
Right here, I'll show you. Right here, you can see his head. Look right down there.
Okay.
See his
Oh,
head?
I see it. Ah, don't do that. Pizza time!
Should I catch him? We'll cook him for dinner?
God no.
Why not?
I want to eat it, but
Got like 40 seconds till pizza.
are you gonna get it? Okay, so he's not getting it. I have to go back inside. So yeah, that snake is freaking scary. So freaking scary. Dude, that is so scary. Pizza ready?